Hey, good afternoon. My name is Patrick Donahue. Again, I am the instructor for Director 2 of the Substitute Coordinator work that we are doing for the district. I wanted to get to know you guys a little bit more, so I am creating a space for us to be able to post introduction videos there, where I can see you, you can see me, and you all can interact with each other too. Kind of make it as if it is just kind of a one big family that is being used here. So what I want you guys to do, we'll go to Google and type in Flipgrid. I have created a little environment there for us to work together. We'll go up here. If you have not been here before, you will be going to the sign up area, but if not, you'll go to your online educator login. As of right now, I only have one grid I've created. It is a substitute teacher introduction here, so I want you to go there. And then down below will be this introduction part. Again, click here, you can go to view, click on it, introduction, and it brings you to our front page here. So I wrote a little bit, thank you guys for working with us and wanting to know you more, so post a video here. Down here at the bottom under start the discussion, you see this for record a response. If I click that, then you would be able to start recording a video, but I don't want to double record here, so I will leave you here to be able to create the introduction video there. Share with me whatever you would like, name, where you're from, what kind of educational experience you have, kids in the district, stuff like that. Let me know you, and I will also be posting one there too for us to get to know each other a little bit more. I thank you for being here. I'm looking forward to working with you, helping you learn throughout this, and put that there, interact with each other too. Make this one kind of big family here. Thank you.